What's good, everybody? Today I'm just going to be trying to make the Miata great again. Let me step out over here. I'm just going to be doing a little bit of maintenance over here to the baby. I got my lifter tick coming back, so I'm going to have to try to fix that because it's starting to get pretty loud. Probably just do some Seafoam in there. And I'm going to start working on this car a lot more. Sorry about the break. I just been real busy with work. Like I said in my last video, I've been working 2 jobs and stuff, so trying to keep the bills paid and everything. You know, I don't make no money off of YouTube or anything. If I did, I'd quit my job. But yeah, so stick around if you guys want to hang out. I'll be working on the car today, just kind of hanging out, you know. I got to go to work in a while, but I'm going to try to get as much done as I can. So we're going to make the Miata great again. This might end up being like a 3-part series, because I got to do a few things to it to make it great again. So yeah, another update. As you can see, the wheels, they're the stock NB wheels. I sold these to my brother. I actually lost them in a bet. So yeah, it sucks. But that's what happens when you want to be in the illegal cockfighting world. People are gonna want to take your best possessions, you know. So it sucks. But we're gonna get this video rolling. Yeah. I'm gonna start this bad boy up. Alright, so it's pretty cold out here. The freaking battery must have went down or something, I don't know. I was just riding like 2 days ago, so I don't know what's going on. He's gonna help jump start me real quick. So I got the cables. He was out here making a video too at the same time. So I'm gonna get jumped real quick and then alright, I'm gonna get jumped real quick and then we're gonna keep the video going. Alright, so it jumped right up. It was real close to turning over, so it just needed a little boost, I guess. It's real cold out, like I said. The Miata batteries, they're real small. They always have a lot of problems. It sucks. I want to figure out how to upgrade the battery size. I just need to find the right, like, mounting plates and all that, whatever, the mounting box thing, so I could do that. But like I said, I'm gonna do some Seafoam and then just change the oil to some high mileage stuff. Just try to keep this bad boy running good. Alright, so this is the ticker, the lifter tick noise it's making. Check it out. It sucks, but hopefully the Seafoam will clean it out. It's probably louder on the video than in person. It's pretty loud, but it just sucks, you know. I don't like that. It's kind of embarrassing. A lot of Miatas do this problem. I had it fixed for a little bit before, but now it's back. So we're ready to get started now. I'm gonna pull this bad boy off right here, and we're gonna stick the tube in through the throttle body, and then we're going to spray it in. Alright, so I just finished spraying all the Seafoam in. Now I'm just letting it sit for a while. Then I'm going to start it back up in about 10 minutes probably. just a quick update on that. Alright, now I'm just pushing all that stuff through. Vape God. A lot of smoke. Vape. Look at that. You can't even see behind all the vape. Alright, so now I'm ready to get on with the oil change. I'm going to switch out the oil that's in it. Right now I'm running Rotella T6, but I'm going to be switching it out. I got some other high mileage stuff. I'm going to try that out and see. It should be pretty good. I'm at about 150,000 miles, around there. So we'll see. Alright, awesome. Listen to this, guys. The lifter tick is pretty much gone. I won't know until I cold start it tomorrow, but right now, like, it's running smooth. It sounds good. The idle sounds nice. This is after the Seafoam treatment. Proud sponsor of this video. So this is what I'm going to be running this time around. Walmart had a special, so there we go. And then I got the cheap SuperTech oil filter. Walmart special. Alright, I got the car jacked up, put it on the jack stands. I'm just going to get into it. It's real simple. I already did a video on this before, but like I said, you guys are just chilling, hanging out today. Yeah.
Still looks pretty clean.
Yeah, I know.
But the reason why we're changing it is because he did the seafoam, yeah.
Now I'm just letting the old oil drain out, and I'm gonna change the oil filter and put in the new stuff. See our fancy lantern down there? It's pretty classy. We're trying to get that old oil filter off.
What is you doing, baby? Come on. Alright, there it goes. It's off.
Alright, he popped it off. So we're going to take that off. Alright, and we are using fresh oil. Last time people were upset. They thought I was using old stuff.
Look at that. Brand new.
See, it's brand new. They like to troll me.
So now he's
but
gonna...
I troll back. Twice as hot. There we go. That's probably good. Got some of that stuff.
So now, let's see if his
hand
fat hands fit in there.
No. Now we're trying to get it back on. It's real tight in here for some reason. You can see down there, he got it on in place. It's a real tight spot. but
That's what she
we got it
says.
in. We always make it work.
That's what I say.
No.
The bitches always say.
You mean the females?
Yeah.
We don't, we're not allowed to use foul language on this channel anymore. Because we get demonetized. So it's pretty sucky. But oh well.
Alright. So Luther's putting the oil in right now.
Some sweet nectar. We're just gonna get this filled up and then that'll be it.
Yeah. She needed some love.
It's been a rough winter.
Yeah. He's been dealing with a lot of baby mama drama since last April. Been going to courts and stuff like that.
Yeah, I was in jail for like a month and a half. I had a fight downtown with these guys. I didn't tell you guys before, but they tried to roll up on me or whatever. I had to throw them things, you know.
Yeah.
That's how it is in this world. Just everybody try to like stay out of trouble. You don't have to go through all that, you know.
Yeah.
But sometimes you're just minding your own business, and people, they try to hate, you know.
You don't want to end up in a deadly situation.
Yeah. Yeah. When you take someone's girl, they always get mad, you know. There's a lot of player haters. It ain't my fault she chose a player,
Yeah.
but that's how this world is, you know.
Yeah. People are always jealous. How much you got left?
I gotta put a tiny bit more. It's almost there.
See that I got the nice lighting.
It's quality.
Yeah, high quality.
Alright, that's probably good.
Alright, so we're good on that. We already checked on the bottom for leaks. No leaks.
None.
Ooh, did you get that tub out of there?
I thought we did. Did we?
No.
Oh no. Wow.
Yeah, we forgot the oil pan. So I'll grab it right now. Go for it.
Oh, it's in the front.
Oh shit. So we got the pan out.
Don't forget your oil.
Yeah.
This jack was a good investment.
I know.
It's probably like, we should dedicate this channel to the jack. It's helped us out a lot.
I had to play some like sad music or anything. Alright, so he's backing it out right now so we can start it. This is the first start after the new oil change. Top top down, lights up. See how it sounds? Sounds really good. Nice and quiet. No more lifter tick.
Alright, we're just going to let the new oil circulate in. Like I said, we're going to make the Miata great again. Sorry if this video is a little bit boring. We're kind of just chilling and on a time crunch. I got to go to work and stuff. It sucks. I'm trying to make some moves, become my own boss pretty much, you know. So, yeah. But we'll be back at it. I'm going to have a couple more small things I'm doing to the car. So make sure to subscribe definitely and watch all the old videos. I haven't been active lately, but we're going to keep it rolling. See you guys on the next one. Gang.